I'm not saying that you can't get 6 out of 6 on this beginner's Ulster Irish quiz, but if you've been watching my videos, it'll give you a good chance of getting some. I'm going to give you 6 questions. They progressively get harder. Let me know how many you got right in the comment. And as a disclaimer, some of these have already been mentioned on my free beginner's Ulster Irish videos. You can find that playlist on my profile. And the rest of them that aren't will be done very, very soon. So if you don't get any right, don't worry, the videos are there. If you get some of them right, the videos are there for you to learn, plus I'll cover the rest in the future. Ready for question 1? Let's test your memory. So question 1, an easy one to start us off. How do you say hello? How do you say hello? Is it A, Chia ditch, or B, Tommy Gamoy? Tick, tock, tick, tock. A, Chia ditch. Ready for question 2? Which is the right way to say good morning in Irish? Is it A, Trinona Mai, or B, Majin Wai? Tick, tock, tick, tock. If you said answer A, you need to go back and watch my videos. If you said answer B, congratulations. Let's move on to question 3. How do you say thank you? Thank you. Is it A, let all, or is it B, Gurm Yogat? Tick, tock, tick, tock. If you said answer A, you need to check your memory. Memory. The correct answer is B, Gurm Yogat. Question 4. Question 4. What is an appropriate way to say goodbye? Is it A, slam, slam, or is it B, more, more? Tick, tock, tick, tock. If you said answer A, you're correct. If you said answer B, you're also correct. Trick question, everybody wins. More is just good luck. So, very appropriate to say if you want to say goodbye. Question 5, and this is a little bit harder. What is the correct pronoun for we? We, like you and me, we. Is it A, she'd, she'd, or is it B, mudge, mudge? Pick your answer now. I'm not doing TikTok soon. If you said answer B, you are correct. If you said answer A, I just did this video this week, so you don't have too far to scroll back. And question number 6, probably the hardest question here. What do I charge for my content? Is it A, way too much? Or is it B, nothing, because it's always free? I'm not giving you time to answer that one. It's always free. I am posting my videos up as a tool for me to learn and me to help you learn at the same time. I think we need to be learning together. I've been trying to make a community here of learners, and you'll notice in the comments that I try to get back to everybody. And you'll also notice that I made connections along the way with other Irish speakers as well, who are also helping people. So please, if you have any sort of notion that you feel like that you want to learn some Irish, please go check the videos out. I've broke them up into just a few minutes, so it doesn't take up too much time to learn one thing a day or one thing a week. Everything that I've done for the last week or 2 is a full week's worth of what you will learn if you went to an Irish lesson. And I broke it up for a week and a half with some revision lessons in between as well, just to help you revise. So if you're interested, they're there for free. It's like a taster course to go on and pay for the courses if you want, or if not, you can learn from me for free anyway. Learn a couple of words, go and order a coffee, say Gurm Yogat to the bus driver, say Ihawai to your kids when you're putting them to bed. No matter what score you got, congratulations, because you tried. If you're not happy with your score, the videos are there, and if there's anything extra I can do, just pop me a message in the comments. I'll do my best to help. Gurm Yogat, Ihawai, and Slam for now.